So, hey guys, these are my dogs. That is Riley. She is a German Shepherd Lab mix. Riley, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Riley? Where's the ball? And I will be showing you guys. And then this is Sadie. Actually, Riley's a 1-year-old. Riley's a 1-year-old puppy. Riley. And then there's a Sadie, our pit bull. She's a sweetheart. As you guys can see. She is 6 months old. Oh, found the ball. Show you guys what she does. Riley, bring it back here. Riley. Riley. Bring it back here. Bring it back here. I'm actually videoing on my phone. I don't have. That's my bike. A vid vlog camera yet? Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Good girl. Here, Wiley, sit. Stay. Okay, Sadie. Only Sadie, okay, Riley? No, Riley! I'm sorry, Sadie. I'm gonna have to tie you up. Riley. 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 Drop it. Riley. Here, I'll get your ball. Oh yeah, there's the gold one. Let me see. She can't hear. She's gold. Okay. Sniff it. Do you like that? Okay. I'm just patting her. I'm just patting her. Okay. Come on, Sadie. Riley, you sit. Sit. Stay. 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 Sit. Stay. And I guess to show Riley's listening habits, sit. Come on, Sadie. Sit. Sit. You can play with it. Riley. Come on, Riley. Come on. Come here. That's Sadie's ball. That's Sadie's ball. Riley. Sadie, get it. Go get it. We have this apple tree to watch. Riley, you want an apple? You want an apple? You want an apple? Sadie. 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 They're too busy playing, so I'll just eat it. Bye, let's. That's it today. Please like, comment, and subscribe.